where we get our ornaments from every year. Wait, we have brown dogs, right? New phones.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year.
Morning. Guys, we are about to go pick up an ornament. I look a mess, but it's fine. They don't have enough people. Where we get our ornaments from every year. 5 and a dog if you see one. Remember the ones that were dogs? Wait, we have brown dogs, right? This was cute. Marshmallow. Do that.
Five in the dog or
I mean, we could do
no difference to me. I like this one.
which one? Okay, you want to do that? That's fine. We have. Is there 5 of them? Oh, right here. All right. Hi. Can we, when you have a chance, spread down?
Alright. Anything in the middle or
And this one I forgot my name.
Oh, I thought I didn't see the Pro Max. I didn't see that. I think it's lighter than what we have.
Yeah, it feels lighter.
Yeah. You think he's gonna wear these or no? What are these? Vegetable? Just made it back in the house after going out this morning. So yeah, we have. I gotta get over here. This pop song. It's so large. Now hopefully the house will smell like fresh balsam. It's in there. I didn't get Hershey's Kisses. All right, so we got new phones. This is the Pro Max. I got it in whites. I definitely need a screen protector as soon as possible. This ain't no way. So Christmas traditions, we did do, I think my phone was finished doing what it had to do. We did finish, oh, hair watch, okay. My watch is pairing with my phone. So we did do Christmas shopping. We did do our Christmas tradition, which was getting this ornament. And I think I showed you guys in the mall, but just in case I didn't, this is the new ornament. So it just has like the moose, and we get this every single year. And this one has like dangly feet. This is from like last year. But yeah, we have a bunch of them like all over. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was last year. 5. Yeah. They're so cute. I love them. So we go to the mall, and every year we just get a different ornament, and it's like become a family tradition of ours. And my husband and I both upgraded our phones, so both of our phones are upgraded. This is the new one. This is the Pro Max. That's the 13 Pro Max. And continue. Yeah, so I'm gonna finish doing my phone. Feels weird. Welcome to iPhone. It wasn't that bad actually. Trying to turn everything over. It was kind of quick. Oh yeah, and then everything is pretty much the same as my other phone, which is good. So I'm going to leave the phones next to each other, I guess, until they sync. This is syncing with my iCloud, my old phone. All right, so I'm gonna edit this vlog and then see if I can get this up in a few minutes. We are gonna be doing like Christmas cookies later on, so it's gonna be like spend Christmas Eve with me. So this is gonna be Christmas traditions, which is vlog day 23. Y'all might get 2 vlogs today, just depending on how much I could do. So okay, talk to y'all later. Bye.